Elementor Wordpress tutorial for beginners. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. And for today's video, I will show you a quick tutorial on how you can create your website using WordPress Elementor. So without further ado, let's dive in. So you need to first go to wordpress.com and sign up for a new account. So you can sign up for free using your any email or your Gmail account. And once you created an account, you will be redirected to this page. So first, you need to choose a domain. So this will be the name of your website. For example, I will name this one test tutorial, and I will be searching this if this name is available. So here, as I can see that it's available, but for the free domain, it has an extension of wordpress.com. So if you want to read off of the WordPress over here, then you must pay or buy the domain. So for this tutorial, I will just go ahead and make use of this free website here. So by the way, with WordPress, there is a free trial, so you can create your website here for free if you just created your account. So here we just need to answer this question: what are your goals? So let me just go ahead and select sell online and also promote myself or business. And I will just click continue. So what's your website about? Let me just go ahead and select some option here. So we have here, okay, let me just go ahead and choose advertising and marketing, and then let's go ahead and click continue. So here, the first thing that we need to do is give your store a name. So here we can add our store name here. So let me just name it test design. And here we have our tagline for tutorial. But it will depends on you guys. And I will just go ahead and continue. And by the way, you also have an option here to skip this one for now if you don't want to set up and if you just want to check the main dashboard. So here we just need to set up our store here so we can start simple or more power, but this is only available for the upgrade plan. So I will just go ahead and make use of the start simple. So now we need to pick a design, and one of this homepage option could be a great to start with. So here you have different categories for store, blog, portfolio, single page, link in bio, business, and sophisticated. Let me just go ahead and go to business. All right, so we only have limited option here. Let me just go ahead and go to portfolio. All right, so let me just go ahead and make use of this one, and we can customize this one using the plugin Elementor. So this is now the design that we choose to start our website. So this is the desktop view, and this is the tablet view, and this is the mobile view. All right, so let me just go ahead and click this start with Atar. All right, so let's just wait for the setup to finish. It may take a few minutes to finish. All right, so now this is our home dashboard, and let's go ahead and check our test design website. So this is the simple design. All right, so let's just wait for a moment. So this is the design that we choose from earlier. Here, as you can see, we have different tabs from your left corner. So we have our home, stats, upgrades, inbox, post, media, pages. Here you can add pages. As you can see, we only have one page here. So you can click pages over here to see all the pages or to add more pages inside your website. So for now, we have home page over here, so we can add a new page if you like to. So just click add new page and it will redirect you to this page. So you can add a new page and you can select a different template here for the new page. So you can also select a blank page here if you like to. Let me just go ahead and choose this one over here maybe. Once you selected a theme for the new page, and just click publish here and then click publish again. All right, and with that, our new page has been added. All right, so here's our new page that we just added earlier. And also by clicking these three dots, you have option to edit this one, view the page, the stat, and also delete this page. So that's under your pages, and we have here the plugin. So let's go ahead and look for the Elementor because that is the best features or plugin that you can make use of inside the WordPress to design your website. So here under the plugins, we have different plugins here available. So we will be searching for the Elementor. So as you can see here, we have the Elementor website builder over here. So let me just go ahead and click this one, and this is the top free plugins. All right, so here's the Elementor now. So the Elementor website builder has it all. You can easily drag and drop page builder, pixel perfect design, mobile responsive editing, and more. So here, as you can see, they have good ratings here. And also, let's check out the Elementor website builder here. All right, so here's the Elementor. So you can create website design your future. So this is what it looks like. So as you can see here, you can easily drag and drop some designs or blocks over here to your website. So that's how Elementor work inside the WordPress, and you can easily design your website. All right, so let's go back to our WordPress. So as you can see here, this one is free. However, you need to upgrade your plan to paid plan inside the WordPress to get the Elementor. If I will proceed to the upgrade and activate, then it will redirect me to page to select the WordPress monthly plan for me to purchase or pay the WordPress monthly plan to get this Elementor for free. But that's how Elementor work, as you can see here. Same with other website builder like Wix. You can easily drag and drop some elements here. So right now we have this one, and let me check and show you the editor if you don't use the Elementor. So let's just go ahead and go to our website, and I click the edit. So without the Elementor here inside the WordPress, you don't have the drag and drop features. So you can just add some block over here. So you have this add icon, and you can choose the text here or different block that you want to add to your website. So this is the normal or the default editor inside the WordPress, which you can also make use of for free. But for Elementor, it's more easier because you can just easily drag and drop different advanced blocks inside your website. So I guess that's all for today's tutorial, and I hope that you learned something today. And thank you so much for watching.